Hi everyone, hi Mom. Another short video for you. I wasn't actually even going to film this book, but I've recently just completed the ephemera pack for it. And like I said before, I don't usually use ephemera when I'm journaling on a holiday because the stuff I pick up is my ephemera. But I know other people do like using ephemera, so I created some. But before I show you that, I'll just show you the book real quick. This is for me. It's very straightforward. There's nothing special about it. I did do a little bit of painting and a little bit of glitter. There are 3 signatures in it. And then I did use a stencil, and it's the Gothic stencil from Tim Holtz. And I used the Prima wax through the stencil with a hard bristle brush. And then I coated the whole thing with Liquitex gel gloss varnish and whatever. You can see the kind of closure. I usually do this closure. And on holidays especially, it's, because I'm writing it every single day, so you want something easy. So just started out with one of the tags. There are 2 different tags. Where's the other one? I've got it sitting on my desk somewhere because I had planned on using it in the book I'm working on now, which of course I can't find it right at the moment. So, oh well. It's got yellow flower. Oh, here it is. I found it. So, these 2 come in the store as a set. So, yeah, like I said, it's very straightforward. It's a lot of journaling because we're gone for 30 days, I think it is, 31 days, something like that. So I always do at least 30 pages, and then I like to have a wiggle room, so I'll do 5 to 10 pages extra, because some days I have lots to say and other days I don't. So yeah, I'd rather have too many than not enough. And this is the Vintage Seaside, obviously. I think that's in the title. So yeah, this is also available in the store. I love the vintage images. Most of them are postcards. Some of them aren't. And I included spots here that I, glue my photos onto. But I'll show you what else I did for that, because I like taking photos. And so does my husband. So we end up with a lot of photos and no place to put them. So I actually put them in my journals. That way I don't have to have a photo album. I think it's way more interesting to read about a holiday and then look at the pictures as you go. So you can see tons of journaling. Sorry, a little bit of allergies going on, I think. Or the leftover of that cold. Boy, I tell you, that cough hangs on for months. Okay, so just a quick flip here. And this one has a sailboat in the back, and then there's 3 spots, and then I included these. So these are just flips, but they're meant, I'm going to put a bunch of photos, larger photos on these. These will be for the 2x3, and then I'll do, maybe a few 4x6, or maybe a couple of, I don't know. I'll know when I go. Anyway, there's a lot of those, and then I always do an envelope, and I keep a lot of receipts and stuff like that. And there's the back side of that. So that is your second signature. And then the third signature, I also like the way how nice and flat this one turned out, because there is no ephemera in it, right? I mean, it won't be flat when I fill it, but it'll be easy to write in. That's the point. I love this. I think this is my favorite page. I think he's just so stinking cute. And he reminds me of my brother. When my brother was little, my mom had made him a little sailor's outfit, and it was just too adorable. So, of course, when my son was born, I had to do the same thing. Some portholes here. More spots for photos. And again, more photos. And I think, yep, that's pretty much it. There you go. So that's, what I will take with me. And then this is the ephemera kit. I just finished it. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. So we're starting here. This is 4 little mini booklets. And I print mine, the booklets I print on a paper, 26-pound weight, matte photo paper. And the same with the envelopes. I mean, who wants to try and bend cardstock, right? With envelopes. I created a petal pocket this time. Haven't done that in a while. And I love the way this turned out. It's so tropical to me. And then these are the cards that fit inside. Now, obviously the petal I did in paper. This I did in cardstock. I love the Honu, which is turtle. And then I created pockets. These ones I put flaps on so they won't be flat against your page, as well as you get the full opening, you know. And I think it's 5 inches. I'm pretty sure I did 5 inches. Yep, well, just shy of 5 inches. So I love the way those turned out. And then I did 3 very large tags. Now these are quite tall, 6.5 inches tall. So they're nice big journaling spots. And then I did postcards. Love the way these turned out too. And then, you know, like I said before, people love the mason jars, so I did some mason jars. I actually created these mason jars myself, which was super fun. And yeah, so that was cool. Anyway, that is the ephemera pack for Vintage Seaside. And it is listed in the store. So hop on over, take a peek, and have a great day. Bye.